Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can make money in Stalcraft X. Now the easiest way in which you're going to be able to make money is by completing the quest and the main storyline, okay? This is going to basically pay you a lot of money and it's going to give you good equipment and unlock useful items such as the metal detector, which is going to be useful for what I'm going to tell you next. Now, how can you do this is by checking your PDA by pressing P, and here you can basically check the tasks, okay? And this is like the main storyline, and just complete this storyline by going to these little icons. This is going to be like your main storyline. And then after you get the artifact detector or the anomaly detector, you can kind of use the bolts to get artifacts, and these are also going to give you a lot of money. As you can see, there's some kind of anomaly in here, so maybe there's going to be some artifact near, so I can just get it by trying to be careful and not die, and that's going to give me a lot of money if I sell it. Okay, and you also have your secret stasis and your hidden caches and chains on the map, so just explore the map. You can see by pressing M, especially these little bandit camps and things like that, but be careful because they're going to be really dangerous in general, and they're going to be full of high level enemy players. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much guys.